Hi. So in this video, we look at an SEO company guide that looks at how structured data or schema can help with your SEO. Now, basically helping Google understand what something's about by offering more data points which are interconnected in the format that Google and other search engines who came together to invent schema can understand will obviously help your rankings because it's a more explicit way of communicating what you believe your business is about. And also, Google uses certain of those data points in the rich results it offers. Like, for instance, here you can see show flights, and it'll give you a list of flights. And we can look that there is even a schema. Here we can go for the flights. And if we actually look at how it's built, for instance, we're scanning this page, budget insurance, they have used schema to help with their local business. So explicitly, they're a local business. They want to communicate that their Facebook, their Google+, their LinkedIn, their Twitter, all these things are the same, which offers, I'm sure, helps with a bit of trust. And then here's their business address, the street address, these types, the opening hours. You can see Google's asking for a price range. So, it's coming up as a warning, not an error, but that Google wants that data. And when we understand why, we have to go back to what Google introduced the knowledge graph in 2012, how they did that. So let's watch this.
Wouldn't it be amazing if Google could understand that the words that you use when you're doing a search, well, they aren't just words. They refer to real things in the world. That a building is a building, and an animal is an animal, and that they're not just random strings of characters. If we can understand that those words are talking about those real world things, then we could do a better job of getting you just the content that you want.